I know you're worried. A lot of us are. In fact, every one of us should be worried at this time because we are going through something which we haven't gone through for more than 100 years. Almost everything across the world right now is standstill. There are lockdowns, there is slow activities, there is uncertainty, there is fear, there is stress. But in all this, our best way to emerge out of this is to remember a couple of things. First thing, that pandemics worse than this, which took place more than 100 years back, which, according to estimates, killed something like 50 million people. And in a time when there was no technology, when there were no facilities, when there was no support system to do that, maybe 50 million people died. We do not know. But one thing that happened, that it was over. And the earth kept on rotating. The earth has been rotating for billions of years. So that is permanent. The planet is permanent. Now, I cannot even imagine those scales of time in which we measure, but it is definitely permanent, at least to the extent of our lifetime and the lifetime of our children and their children and their children. So this is not permanent. We will have to realign our thinking into, yes, what after? So don't see this as the end of the world. End of the world is not going to take place. That is for certain. So, which is why I tell the pandemic will not last, but you will last. You will be there. I will be there. I'm telling you. And you will be there. This is the time when we have to look at, regardless of how long it takes, how am I going to respond to it? What after? Now, for that, you have to do your thinking. You have to have an insight into what could be the new reality. Well, all of us are talking about some new normal. I'm not sure whether it is stage enough to talk about the new normal because we are still not in the normal. It is rather premature or presumptuous for us to talk about the new normal when we are not normal. So we'll wait for all those things. Right now, best thing, take all safety precautions, follow all advisories, and use this time to build value into yourself. Use this time to acquire more knowledge, to do all those things which you wanted to do and could not do because you were spending 3 hours traveling. You were spending 5 days waiting for somebody to respond. You must have noticed today everybody responds almost immediately because, well, he doesn't have much to do anyways. So, yes, we need to be worried, but does that mean we give up? No, we don't give up. And in order to do that, I will be here, always wanting to talk to you, finding out whatever little I have learned and how I can pass that on to you and imbibe from you what you have learned and where you are much better than I am. So both of us learn together and come out of this successfully, which I assure you we will.